Top 10 Biggest Dogs. In case you're a pet lover, you're presumably to possess a dog. They're cute and extremely clever. Generally, they even serve and facilitate us to live easier. They're our nearest friends. Nowadays, there are over 360 breeds of dogs, of various sizes and nationalities, from little doggies to massive ones. Let's see the highest 10 biggest dog breeds in the world. 10. Caucasian Shepherd. They shed quite a bit, however, their thick coats keep them heat even in extraordinarily atmospheric conditions. Whereas they're naturally unapproachable to strangers and do not take well to alternative animals, Caucasian Shepherd dogs are often terribly mild and doting, and a few have even become medical care dogs with correct coaching. 9. Great Dane. Great Danes are thought of mild giants. They're moderately mischievous, loving, and smart with kids. They'll guard their home. Great Danes usually get beside alternative animals, significantly if raised with them. However, some individuals within the breed are often aggressive with dogs they do not know. 8. Neapolitan Mastiff. Though its size may be intimidating, the Neapolitan Mastiff may be a mild big that creates a wonderful massive family dog. These dogs are even as protective as they're doting toward their house owners, and they are low maintenance and easygoing companions. 7. Anatolian Shepherd. Anatolian Shepherds are a lot of dogs to handle and acceptable just for tough house owners with the time and energy for consistent, assertive coaching. Ferociously loyal and protecting, they're marvelous, amiable companions to the family they take into account their pack. 6. Leonberger. Leonbergers need an oversized quantity of interaction with folks. They're usually smart with alternative pets if properly socialized, however may be dog aggressive. These dogs need brushing and combing twice per week. They do not need trimming, as a fact. 5. Dogue de Bordeaux. The Dogue de Bordeaux or French Mastiff is quiet, calm, and relaxed, till aroused. Do not be lulled by his bulk. He may be astonishingly athletic and agile once necessary. This is often not an apartment dog, though. 4. Newfoundland. This kindly breed is even tempered with everybody, particularly kids, although they ought to be as well behaved as he is. He's terribly sociable and wishes for an additional company than several alternative breeds. Newfoundlands do not do well once left alone for long periods. 3. Saint Bernard. A well-mannered Saint Bernard is calm, relaxed, and smart. That is, an adult Saint Bernard is calm, relaxed, and smart. Young Saints are as boisterous and bouncy and silly as any other breed and should be with patience schooled to not jump and to not rollick inside. 2. Irish Wolfhound. The Irish Wolfhound may be a mild dog who typically gets on well with everybody. With early socialization and coaching, he'll be gracious toward alternative dogs and patient with indoor cats. He'll view doors, cats, and alternative animals as victims. If you're searching for a long-lived breed, the Irish Wolfhound isn't for you. 1. English Mastiff. The Mastiff may be a dignified, however even-tempered animal. He's doting and loving toward his family, and his calm trait makes him a decent companion for older kids. However, the breed isn't counseled for toddlers thanks to its great size.